This is Fox 26 Morning News at 8 a.m.
Most people wouldn't mind erasing fine lines and wrinkles from their face, but which plastic surgery procedures are proven effective and at what age should you consider them? I will ask the doctor next. Plastic surgeons all across the country were recently surveyed about plastic surgery trends. The results showed a staggering 31% increase in requests for surgery because of social media photo sharing. So I visited Dr. Yalamanchili at the Belage Center for Plastic Surgery to find out what age is appropriate to try to turn back the clock and reverse premature aging. Jamie wants to know, what is the best age to undergo procedures like skin resurfacing, chemical pills, lasers? Where do you start?
Well, the reality is, you sort of kind of have a game plan throughout your life. You kind of want to start with, obviously, maintenance and prevention when you're younger, in your 20s and 30s, and as you get older, you actually have to undo some of the damage. So the beauty is that, in this day and age, we have so many options, from lasers and chemical peels, things that are just very more of a maintenance sort of thing, where you can start doing it even in your 20s, just to, especially here in Houston, so much sun damage that we get. And so you can do some light chemical peels, some light laser treatments, but as you get older, you can do the same things, but a little bit more aggressively, to help actually undo some of the damage that you sustain. And then what do you? So you're talking about 20s to 30s. Then what about 40s? So in your 40s, you probably get to the point where you've accumulated more. Of course, it all depends on how well you take care of your skin, but in general, you're getting to the point where you're not making as much collagen in your skin. You're starting to notice more sunspots, some deeper lines and wrinkles. And although the routine facials, the trip to your esthetician's office is going to be helpful, you're probably at the point where you might need some more intervention, like a deeper chemical peel or a slightly deeper laser treatment. What about in the 50s? So when you get to your 50s, again, you're probably thinking not just about the skin, you might have more of the gravity changes, so you might start even thinking about some of the surgical options in conjunction with maybe a deep full-face laser peel to help remove some of the deeper lines. All right, let's move up to 60s and 70s. By the time you get to your 60s and 70s and even beyond, you're really at the point where a lot of the, assuming you haven't done anything to keep up with it, a lot of the lines, all the sun damage is pretty entrenched, it's pretty etched in. And so you're not going to be able to erase it all away, but you can still get some nice, natural-looking changes with some of the deeper laser treatments. But the deeper you go, the more aggressive you are, the longer the recovery is going to be. Beyond that, it's time to age gracefully and get over it already. It's always time to age gracefully, just how much you can fight it. All right, thanks. Sure, thanks, Melissa.
I can ask the doctor a question for you. Find me on Facebook at Melissa Wilson Fox 26 or on Twitter at Melissa Fox 26.